Hi, I'm going to making the shrimp with spinach today. I have about 12 pieces of shrimp and about 8 ounces of spinach. And for the sauce, I use 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sweet bean paste, 1 teaspoon of chili hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. For the shrimp, I put a pinch of salt and the white pepper, and also I put 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1 egg white, about 1 tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. Then I mix well. Okay, I'm going to put the spinach in it first. I'm going to put about 1 tablespoon of oil. And put all the spinach in it. And for the cooking, I'm going to put all the sauce into it. And you mix well. And also I use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, I set it on the side. Okay, the spinach looks all good. So I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, I'm going to leave it on the side. I'm going to cook the shrimp. Need a little bit more oil in it. Okay, looks good. So I'm going to remove it. Okay, I'm going to turn on the heat on that one. I put all the sauce in it. Okay, that's I make today the shrimp with spinach.